AirBorn, a designer and manufacturer of interconnect solutions for industrial, defense, aerospace, and medical applications, announced plans to close its facility in Taunton, Massachusetts. The company filed its WARN report on August 20th, which stated that the closure would affect 86 workers beginning at the end of 2025 and continuing through 2026. Mass Live reported that the Taunton factory primarily focuses on contract manufacturing, which the company considers, quote, no longer viable for the business. The report added that some employees might stay on for up to 60 days after the shutdown to help with closure-related tasks, while other operations will relocate to other sites. News of the facility's expiration comes less than a year after AirBorn was acquired by Molex. The global electronics company stated that AirBorn's portfolio of military-grade cables, connectors, and electronic assemblies would anchor a new aerospace and defense division, led by AirBorn CEO Michael Cole. Founded in 1958, AirBorn operates 6 other US locations, as well as one in the UK and one in Canada. Molex, which provides interconnect technology for generative AI, data center, mobile device, and automotive applications, said the combined organization would include more than 50,000 workers and 85 factories across 20 countries. I'm Nolan Beilstein. This is Manufacturing Now.